Hi there, I'm Alex, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use our medical record summary template. Chances are, if you're watching this video, you know what a medical record is, but if not, let's recap. A patient's medical record is the documentation representing their entire medical history with a particular provider. For example, Susie's medical record with her hospital might include progress notes, vaccination records, radiology reports, blood test results, or appointment letters, or any other documentation that arose from an encounter with her as a patient. These days, most of this information will be stored electronically in an electronic health record, or EHR. For patients with long-term or multiple health conditions, or with treatment spanning across multiple providers, this medical record can quickly become very long and tricky to decipher. And in a legal situation, often the key points from a patient's medical record must be summarized into a single document called a medical record summary, and that's where our template comes in. This medical record summary template makes it easy to summarize a patient's medical record and includes a bunch of handy features to help you save time. So let's jump into it. The first step is to download the medical record summary template, which you can do using the link on this page. Next, fill in the patient details at the top of the page. Now for the main event. The medical summary should be completed in chronological order with the earliest entry at the top of the table. Add the date and time, the part of the patient's medical record you have referenced, the provider of the service, and finally a short summary of the encounter. If you run out of space, simply copy the second page of the template as many times as you need and continue filling in the table. Once you're finished, add in the page numbers and the total number of pages on each page. If you have only used one page, simply put page 1 of 1. The last step is to sign and add your name to the first page and store the document securely, as it contains confidential patient health information. If you're sharing it with a third party, such as an insurance provider or a law firm, ensure you've been authorized to disclose the summary by the patient or their legal representative. To get an idea of what the finished medical record summary template might look like, just take a look at our example template. Feel free to pause the screen to take a closer look. To make things even simpler, you can access this template right from within Carepatron. Just head to Templates from the menu on the left. Ensure you're filtering by community templates to see our full range of available resources. Then search by keyword Medical Record Summary. Hover over the result and click Choose Template. Then select your client from the client list. You can now work on this template right from within your draft tab. And when you're finished, just hit Publish.